Are you looking for the best spin casting reel? If so, then look no further than this list of what we consider to be the 5 best spin casting reels on the market today. We've done all the research and testing to bring you our top picks. Each one has been carefully selected based on quality, performance, durability, and value for money. And we've included some great information below about what makes these reels so special. You don't need to spend hours trawling through countless reviews online trying to figure out which Spincast reel is worth buying. We've already done that work for you. All of our recommendations are tried and tested products that have received excellent feedback from customers like yourself. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Zebco Omega Pro Spincast Reel. This reel includes everything Zebco has learned in its 72 years of producing Spincast reels. It even comes pre-spooled with a 10-pound test mono line. The all-metal construction, in an attractive gloss black finish, catches your eye as quickly as the smooth casting reel will catch fish. With 7 ball bearings and a 19-inch per crank retrieval rate, this reel is a gem. It is easily interchangeable from right to left-hand operation, making it a versatile ambidextrous reel in addition to its other quality features. An instant anti-reverse feature keeps the reel throwing out and retrieving line with no annoying inside snarls, something that happens with lesser quality Spincast reels. It is available in a heavier 16-ounce 20 series or a 30 series that has been reduced to only 10.6 ounces from the original Omega in the size 30 design. Durability at a slightly higher price is what Zebco designers looked for in the Omega Pro. They even include a spare spool and an extra dual paddle handle. There's no doubt Zebco deserves the top spot for best spincasting reel, as they have been a leader in spincast reel manufacturing for over 5 decades. Number 2. Cast King Brutus Spincast Fishing Reel. If anyone can mount a serious challenge to Zebco in finding the best spincasting reel, it's Cast King. Their Brutus takes our 3rd spot, offering a bevy of quality components in a moderately priced spincast reel. The Brutus has a high speed, for a spincast reel, gear ratio of 4.0:1, making it a good choice for bass fishing where faster topwater retrieves can entice those hiding largemouths waiting just below the surface to strike. The Brutus has 5 proprietary Maxi Dure ball bearings and an all-important ambidextrous handle that allows both right and left-handed configuration. The reel is made of graphite, with an aluminum handle, and is a 30 series. This is one of the smoothest bullet-style spincasting reels on the market, which means longer casts for you, and smoother, more powerful retrieves. Unlike many spincast reels that serious trout and bass fishermen don't appreciate, the higher gear ratio, larger line capacity, and easy-to-adjust drag make the Brutus a good choice for seasoned anglers and novices as well. An added plus is the eye-catching black and neon red style of the reel. Number 3. Runkle Spincast Fishing Reel. This might be the best spincasting reel you've never heard of. Runkle is a newcomer, just 4 years old, after its founders began building fishing reels and fishing supplies in Colorado in 2016. Frustrated with the poor quality fishing reels they used as kids, the founders set a goal to build a reasonably priced spincast reel that was high in quality and performance. They succeeded in their effort. This reel has some impressive statistics. It offers a high-speed 4.0:1 gear ration, an impressive 7-ball bearing design for smooth action, an ambidextrous handle for left or right-hand operation, and an adjustable, easy-to-access drag that can put up to 17.5 pounds of pressure on a fish running with your fishing line. Built of stainless steel and aluminum, with 4 of 8 bearings made of stainless steel, this reel offers top performance. Add the pre-spooled 160 yards of 10-pound test monofilament and all you need is a rod and a place to use it. Number 4. Cast King Cadet Spincast Fishing Reel. Cast King is back in the top 5 with their size 20 Cadet Spincast Reel. This right-hand-only reel is made of graphite with a stainless steel handle. Designed for only monofilament line, it won't work with braided line. The reel can handle 140 yards of a 6-pound test line, 110 yards of an 8-pound test, and 100 yards of a 10-pound test. It is pre-spooled with a maximum of 100 yards of 10-pound test monofilament line. It has a 6.6-pound maximum drag, and a gear ratio of 3.1:1, which equates to a very slow retrieval rate of 11.4 inches, 0.29 meters, per crank. The reel is light, weighing just 7.4 ounces. Number 5. Pflueger President Spincast Reel. When you hear anglers talk, the Pflueger name comes up early in almost every conversation. Pflueger has a long and storied tradition in the spinning reel world, but they have an equally effective offering in a Spincast reel. The Spincast version of their President reel is often confused with their spinning reel, also bearing the President name. The only two things these diverse reels have in common aside from the name is the quality that Pflueger brings in all of its reels. Made of aluminum, with 5 stainless steel ball bearings, and dual titanium pins, the Pflueger President Spincast reel is one tough customer. An instant anti-reverse guarantees you'll set the hook the first time you feel a strike, and the spool-applied drag gives you the resistance to tire out even big, hard-running rainbow trout. The Pflueger President Spincast reel is available in 4 varieties, with 2 different size spools. This slightly faster line retrieves on the larger model moves it into the realm of enticing largemouth bass with fast-moving surface plugs through heavy vegetation. The larger spin casting reels weigh a solid 11.2 ounces.